Because of the architecture of the inside of the SAFEARS methodology, we were able to take a M.A.S.S suction tip with the perimeter functional release valve orifices, which normally has a 93 to 94 decibel range, and because it's tunable and the SAFEARS is tunable, we were able to achieve below 85 decibels while maintaining an optimal flow rate, which actually exceeds the normal flow rate through this. So we can attain 81 decibels or 82 decibels with the M.A.S.S suction using the SAFEARS insert, which actually provides a greater degree of velocity through the main orifice while retaining all the functionality of the peripheral, spiral, accessory vacuum release orifices.